fourth industrial revolution? Start by connecting your machinery to track production and increase factory performance. Does it have to be complex? No. Keyprod provides a simple, intuitive, plug-and-play solution. Your machines communicate in a language of vibrations that you can't understand. Keyprod interprets and calibrates this language using algorithm analysis and artificial intelligence. And it works just by plugging it in. No installation required. Keyprod becomes a powerful MES, tracking your workflow in real time and interacting with your existing ERP, making information accessible to everyone at any time. Built with open architecture, it is easy to connect with your existing softwares and Tier 1 sensors. Now you can track production from wherever you are and manage your factory with your smartphone. Keyprod. Join the smart revolution.